Breaking news just coming into us now. The Attorney General, Pam Bondi, has announced in just the last hour or so the creation of what she calls a Second Amendment task force. It was announced in a memo that was sent to DOJ employees and obtained by NBC News. Now, in the memo, the AG is writing in part, for too long, the Second Amendment, which establishes the fundamental right to bear arms, has been treated as a second-class right. No more, she says. Let's get now to NBC's Danny Savalos, our legal analyst. Danny, what sort of legal action could a task force like this take in regards to gun laws in individual states around the country?
Well, this sounds like it's going to examine, once formed, it's going to examine ways to implement the previous executive order that Trump issued on firearms. And that is a multi-part executive order that directs DOJ to investigate different ways to really expand on Second Amendment rights and prepare a report within a certain number of days from the Attorney General and the Associate Attorney General to the President. So this is just an additional task force to sort of carry out the mission of that original executive order.
Let's underscore that. The bottom line here is that this administration is interested in expanding the Second Amendment rights in states that may have restricted it, right?
That's exactly right. And especially in light of the Supreme Court's recent gun cases, whether it be Bruin or Heller, the executive order also signals the administration's interest in expanding this kind of Second Amendment right, or to go after any states or localities that they perceive as unlawfully infringing on that Second Amendment right, that the way they see it, as an expanded right, as something that it needs a task force in order to implement this executive order.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.